Hello and welcome to the How to Earn $1,000 a Month by Swing Trading Crypto series. In this video, we're going to talk about Dash, ticker symbol DASH, Dash. So go ahead and smash the like button, leave a comment, and subscribe to the channel. If you're already subscribed, welcome back. Nothing I say in this video is financial advice. Please do your own research as I am sharing my experience and my path with you. Only invest what you can stand to lose or be stuck holding for a long period of time. Also beware of the spam in the comments. Some of the comment types are people try to they'll strike up a conversation, not mentioning the actual video information, but talking about someone who earned them a lot of money and try to direct you to some person on Telegram or WhatsApp or some similar platform. Please know that that type of spam is in no way affiliated with the channel, and I highly advise you to stay away from that, as it's there to scam you into losing your money, or worst or best case scenario is just wasting a lot of time. All right. So in this video, as I mentioned before, Dash. If you've invested in, plan to invest in, bought, hold, sold, or traded Dash in the future, or plan to do in the past, or even if you plan to do more research about Dash, go ahead and put a hashtag Dash in the comments. And in this video, we're going to talk about Dash, of course, starting with the all-time high. We're going to see what that price was and the date that it occurred, and discuss any type of events that led up to that, or any reason why it reached that price at that time, if it's anything that stands out. After we talk about the all-time high for Dash, we're going to look at the last 3 weeks performance of Dash, price performance, and we'll look at the highs and lows over the last 21 days. Also, we're going to pick out the 5 top trading opportunities within those 5 days, or those 21 days. And then once we do that, we're going to run a simulation by investing $3,000 in each of those 5 trade opportunities to see how much money we could have possibly gained from those trading opportunities, and see how close that puts us to our goal of $1,000 a month. Now, once we do that, we're going to look to see if there's any other trading opportunities worth mentioning outside of the top 5. Then from there, after we go over the price action of Dash over the last 21 days, we're going to go ahead and look at the tokenomics. We're going to look at things like the current price, the market cap, along with many other valuable information about the coins that will help us better predict when to buy and sell and trade Dash. All right. So let's go and see what was the all-time high for Dash, and we see that Dash hit $1,439.59, and that was December 19, 2017. So this was not the last bull run of 2021, but 4 years before that, but it didn't match it. Now, for me, the top of my head, I can see that perhaps it was more of a competition, more crypto to challenge in 2021 than it were in 2025 or in 2017. So it didn't reach the peak in 2021 that it did in 2017, right? And then now the price is a lot lower, as we can see from our 3-week action over the last 21 days, which we took from June 29th to July 20th. Like I said, that's 21 days, where the high only reached $25.75. I say only compared to the all-time high. That's very low. And that $25.75 did occur on June 20th, right about here. And the low price over the last 3 weeks happened July 1st, when it hit $19.23. So that would be right here. So you see the second is there, but it's just offset just a little bit. So anything before this line would be the first. All right. So after that, let's look at the 3 top trading opportunities. As you can see here on July 1st with that monthly low, or that 3-week low. This was the first opportunity, 8% profit margin from the 1st to the 3rd, so a 2-day profit margin. Then here on looks like the 8th through the 11th, took 3 days, but we were able to get 12.3% out of this one. Then this one was the 13th of July to the 14th of July, 1 day at 7.8. Because that's 1 day, so far that's the best profit margin. So it only took 1 day. But then it's July 15th to July 17th, a 2-day at 13.2. And then finally on July 19th to July 20th, on 1 day, a 9.4% profit rate. So that was the top 5 in the last 21 days. So we can look and see if there was any other worth mentioning. Let's say here to this low to this high might have been 3 or 4%. These lows to this probably around 2 or 3%. Here to there, another 2 to 3%. And that looks like about all of the opportunity we had. Maybe here to there, and there to there. But nothing really significant worth mentioning. But let's see how much these turnaround or these profit percentages could have got us over the last 21 days. Let's work out the old calculator. And once again, we'll do the math. You can break out your calculator and you can use any number other than 3,000. We're using 3,000 for the example. If you say, hey, I only have 1,200, you can use 1,200. But all we're doing is converting these percentages into a decimal. So for instance, 8% would be 0.08. So we'll take 3,000 and multiply it by that 0.08, and that'll give us the dollar amount made off of this. All right. So the first one, 0.08, actually gave us $240, $3,000 investment. Then 12.3 was $369. This 7.8 was $234. Then this 13.2 was $396. And finally, this 9.4 got us $282. And that was a total of $1,521 in 3 weeks. So we still have 9 trading days to go before we hit that 30, and we were able to we had the opportunity to make over $1,500. Now let's use our old, let's say we were 15% off of this range and off of that range. So let's go ahead and multiply this by 70, because 100 minus, or 15% plus 15% is 30%, and 100% minus 30% is 70%. So if you multiply this by 0.7, which is 70%, oops, didn't do it. Let's go 1521 times 0.7, and Trading Dash would still would have got over $1,000 within that 21 days, with 9 days still left in the trading cycle. So that was, you could have easily met that goal, $1,000 a month Trading Dash, if you had $3,000 to invest. Of course, remember, if you have less money, it would, you have to get better margins. So you might not made it with $2,000 unless last 9 days were more lucrative, as we'll see in the future. All right, so that was basically the price action for Dash over the last 3 weeks. But let's look at the tokenomics and see what Dash offers. The current price is $25.46, and it sits at number 250 in market cap at $314 million. 24-hour trading volume was 34,789 million, so almost $35 million trading volume for the last 24 hours. Circulating supply, because you see how old it is, it's been around since 2017 and possibly longer. So circulating supply is 12,337, 468, and then total supply, just over 3,000 more in total supply. And then the max supply is 18,000 or 18 million, 18.9 million. So this is a big gap between here and here, but because of the age, if you've noticed that these were burns, you found out these were burns, that's great news. If it was like, hey, we're still releasing them after almost 10 years, like, okay, we still got a long ways to go. But nonetheless, that's it for the tokenomics of Dash, as we see how it breaks down. So if you found this video useful, go ahead and smash the like button, leave a comment, and subscribe to the channel. Remember, when you subscribe to the channel, you get notified when new material is posted. And if you haven't done so already, if you're interested in Dash or plan to invest or already invested, go ahead and put a hashtag Dash in the comments. And if you want to see other cryptos broken down in the same manner, go ahead and click that rectangle in the middle of your screen. If you want to see what else this channel offers, other type of videos and whatnot, go ahead and click the circle in the bottom right. All right. So thanks for watching. Take care, and we'll see you on the next one.